My dear friends, I am Srinivas Ayyagari. I am a retired senior banker having more than 3.5 decades of pure banking experience. I have come out of the bank taking VRS. Now presently very seriously involved in teaching, guiding the ignited minds who are very much interested to join the ever-growing and ever-demanding banking sector. So, I am a part of the best online platforms, online coaching platforms of our country, and I am a consultant specialist faculty there, and I have the experience of more than 400 hours of conducting mock interviews, covering hundreds of students who are aspiring to become officers in the best banks like State Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India Group B, IBPS and IBPS rural banks. So I had the opportunity to interact with the best brains of our country, best students, aspiring bankers of the country, right from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, here Manipur, Assam to this side Gujarat, Bhuj. My personal experience has been with them. They are very motivated, highly talented, highly motivated, everything is there. They have came out of they completed their education with distinction. Mostly engineers, 90% are engineers. And among them I found there are people from RECs and even from IIT. Up to written test level, they are able to do some sort of their previous subject level knowledge or whatever you call the preparedness, they are able to cross the level of written test, but once they are coming to the group discussion and interview level, they are on a back step. They are on a back foot. There are people who are actually working in big software firms like Infosys, like Wipro, and other big brands. When I ask about the basic questions like what is that, about what their job they are doing, business analytics, like data mining, data science, like artificial intelligence or virtual VR reality, IoT, Internet of Things, they are just putting a blank face. At least what I feel is you need not be an expert in the field actually, but when you have come out as a computer engineer, having done your computer science and IT, you are expected to know the basic knowledge about the subject in which you have graduated, and they are not also having any knowledge about what is going on in the current market. When I am going to join in a bank, a banker or a person from a recruitment who is sitting in the interview board, he feels that the person who is coming for a job in a bank, he should be having a basic knowledge about banking, the various strategies of banking, the economy, how it is going in the international market, what is a business, what is a foreign trade, what is a market economy, what is actually a market, what is a capital market, what is a bond, then what is the future. Nothing is there. They are just faceless expression when I ask these questions. And mostly, that is where actually I felt the need that we as a small group of identical brains, we thought we should bridge the gap of knowledge at that particular stage. And accordingly, we are now going to start a new platform under the title thirstyminds.in, thirstyminds.in. It is a platform we are going to start very shortly, probably this week, and it is at the planning level. The main idea of this platform is to concentrate on the overall personality of the person who is aspiring to be part of a middle management or a senior management in the financial sector or any sector like banking industry or other financial markets like asset management or wealth management, and to train his and giving the latest inputs, what is happening in the market and around the world, and make him fully competent to face the interview at a later date. So we want to give the best brains to the market, so that they will be sought after by the market. So that is our intention, is to create the best integrated minds who are going to be the expert bankers of tomorrow, be it in wealth management, be it in asset management, be it in treasury management or risk management, information technology, whatever is the specialization, we want to make them the best brains at the admission level, so that they will be in lot of demand in the market. Recently, Bank of Baroda, the third largest bank of India, has come out with an advertisement. They wanted senior relationship managers, a post of around more than 400 vacancies they have said, and also digital wealth management experts. The qualifications what they have required is, they wanted a graduation is the minimum knowledge, minimum qualification. Apart from that, they should, desirable qualification is an MBA. Apart from that, certification courses like IRDA, NISM will be an added advantage for considering, for shortlisting of the candidates. There is no written examination there. It is purely basing on the group discussion and the personal discussion, which I call it for interview. A personal discussion and a group discussion will be there for about half an hour, and basing on the shortlisted candidates will be put to this gruesome interview process, and then the final list will be selected. And it is based, this job is particularly basing on a contract basis. But my dear friends, now please don't get disappointed that it is not. Now everywhere it is contract basis only, even your software firms and everywhere, nowhere they say that we will keep you till your death. It is not like that. It is the best brains the industry wants. Once you are into the Bank of Baroda mold, they will mold you and make one of the best brains of the industry in wealth management and asset management. You know what is a asset management, what is a wealth management. Asset management is nothing but advising about their investment portfolio, but the wealth management is having a broader definition, wherein I am advising him on his various requirements like investment, his legacy, his tax, his retirement, then his future investments, and his retired life tax plan. Everything will be there put together as a package. That means the person for whom we are giving wealth management services, we are their face, we are their hand, we are their mind as far as their finances are concerned. So that is a highly complex and very, very difficult domain. So that depends upon the right from the attitude to the knowledge levels, and keeping up-to-date knowledge about the market. The person who is supposed to be a wealth manager should have thorough knowledge regarding the income tax, regarding the wealth tax. Then he should be having a legal knowledge about various acts, and he should be very thorough in the current money market, capital market, so that he will be a better person to advise the person for whom we are working. So this is a highly specialized job in the days going to come, because India economy is running, going leaps and bounds. The percentage of high net worth individuals and ultra high net worth individuals is going to double. It's growing very fast, and because they cannot maintain their own finances and investments, they require the services of wealth management experts, and that is where you are now going to Bank of Baroda to fine-tune yourself. Thirsty Minds is going to be with you. This is my first public talk with you on behalf of the platform which we are going to open up very shortly. The actual the plan of action, detailed plan of action will be made known to you in a couple of days in my next talk. Thank you. God bless you. Srinivas.